DIY gadgets are some of absolute favorite things to make these days. Some of you may only have tried out a few creative craft ideas once or twice, and if so, you are missing out on some of the best DIY ideas out there. So in this video, I have been listed 10 cool DIY gadgets that can help you to create creative ideas. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Number 1. Electronic palm router from Batoca. It has a powerful motor to deliver power for the toughest applications and 6 variable speed control, 10,000 to 30,000 RPM, for optimal bit speed in each application. The fast and precise depth adjustment system allows macro and micro adjustment, while the quick clamp system allows the motor to be easily adjusted or moved from base to base. The router tool is double insulated with a heavy-duty aluminum motor housing for increased durability. A spiral vent on the top for high-efficiency heat diffusion ensures the machine has a longer running time. Palm router designed for a comfortable grip and rubber-covered base makes sure anti-fatigue long-term operation. A large, low-pressure spindle lock button allows for comfortable, single-wrench bit changes. Number 2. Mini lathe machine from BACHIN. Designed for the home DIY enthusiasts, small and portable, strong power, not suitable for mass production or commercial use. Material: aluminum alloy and acrylic. Power: 100 watt, 24 volts DC. Speed: 5000 to 8000 revolution per minute, 7 grade speed. Size: 310 by 60 by 70 millimeters, 3x hex shanks, 0.059 inch, 0.079 inch, 0.098 inch. Maximum turning diameter, 70 millimeters. Maximum clamping length, 180 millimeters. Chuck clamping range, 0.6 to 6 millimeters. High precision, stability, low noise, aluminum alloy materials, CNC machining. Thick aluminum base, acrylic dust cover motor. Transparent plexiglass shield, super convection cooling holes. Number 3. Rotary Tool Kit from PHALANX. 180 watt and 6 speed adjustment. This rotary tool equipped with a powerful motor, 8,000 to 32,000 revolution per minute, 6 speed adjustment, refined gear adjustment to make the speed of each speed more stable. From cutting metal to polishing jewelry, it all cover. Do what you want. Flexible shaft like a pen. Want to have more functions? The flexible shaft is your best helper for both fine work and corner polishing. The flexible shaft causes less runout and provides stable output. Play with inspiration, easy to make DIY. This power rotary tool is compatible with all sizes of collets, more stable when fixing accessories for grinding, cutting, wood carving, sanding, engraving. It is ideal for diversified work. Comfortable and stable handle, lower noise, innovation design blockers prevent from unintended touch over speed gear, ventilation holes on the side to discharge heat and increase service life. Number 4. Double head sheet metal cutter from REXBETI. Easy and fast to cut 14 gauge material and creates a precision, burr-free edge. Drill a starting hole. For the 12 mm step drill bit helps you to drill a starting hole for the nibbler before cutting a perfect circle with it. 360-degree cutting head. The 360-degree cutting head allows easy control and has no problem to cut straight curve and circles. It will be a big time saver for cutting sheet metal. Circle cutting with ease. The circle cutting accessories will help you to cut a perfect circle. The maximum diameter can be 11.4 inch. HSS cutting blades to cut including but not limited to sheet metal, corrugated material, pipes, complex profiles, powder-coated material, stainless steel, copper, aluminium, formica, plastic, fiberglass. Fits any drill that works between 1500 to 3000 revolution per minute, more easy and powerful than normal shears and snips. Number 5. Mini Belt Sander from Baisiky. It made of fine quality aluminum alloy, not easy to rust, wear resistant, has a long service life. Non-slip and dustproof. The base is stable and sturdy, can be placed on the table, labor saving. The sand belt is uniform, not easy to fall off, more wear resistant, and of high quality. The angle of the work table of the power belt sander can be adjusted at will, which is convenient to use. Belt knife sharpener has super powerful motor, no load speed, 4500 to 9000 RPM, can grind metal, knife making, wood, acrylic and other materials well. Grinding high hardness materials, efficient and stable, strong and practical. The all copper motor adopts double bearings, high speed, high torque, mute, anti-skid design, and runs smoothly. Using high precision CNC machining, it will not move super stable during work. This is a mini belt machine with strong power, convenient operation, and stable speed. It can polish metal, aluminum, wood, plastics, and so on. It is a belt machine that can be used in home and industry. Number 6. Glass lid vacuum chamber from BACOENG. Durable material. This vacuum chamber for resin is made of high-strength stainless steel with a tempered glass lid for durability and visibility. The accuracy of the level gauge is within 0.5 nhg, and it can keep the vacuum over time after turning off the inlet valve. Good sealing. The silicone gasket on the edge of the chamber provides a perfect seal when degassing, and the maximum rated vacuum up to 29 nhg at sea level. It also has a 50 micrometer air filter to reduce airflow and prevent dust from entering the chamber. Tempered glass lid. It is durable and applicable to its stabilization and other experiments with volatile compounds such as silicones, epoxies, essential oils, and urethanes. Easy installation. Installation is easy and doesn't require any special tools. Wide application. The pressure pot for resin casting can be used to degas silicones, epoxies, essential oils, and urethanes. It is also suitable for wood stabilization and other experiments with volatile compounds. Number 7. Laser rotary roller from ORTUR. Cylindrical object carving. The rotary roller module can be used at cylinders or small diameter cylinders, such as round wood, cups, bottles, pipes, bowls, guitars, drums and tubes, and overlength plate engraving or cutting. 7 adjusted diameters. Rotating the engraving axis can increase the original engraving area. The diameter can be adjusted in 7 steps, and the engraving diameter can be as small as 8 millimeters and up to 110 millimeters, meets the engraving needs of different angles. Easy to operate. Link the engraving machine and the computer system. Advanced new products, more intelligent. Use Laser GRBL or Lightburn. It's the most popular paid carving software in the world, very easy to use. Supports Windows XP, 7, 8, 10, Mac OS, and Linux. Extensively compatible. ORTUR laser rotary rollers can compatible with other brands of engraving machines. Number 8. Mini heat press machine from Lussmioe. Perfect size for all projects. It will be inconvenient with much larger size heat press, such as 10 inch by 10 inch, to heat. Also, the smaller size heat press, such as 2.6 inch by 4.4 inch, will heat less evenly and waste more time. Perfect heat press size 7 inch by 3.8 inch will help you use it much easy and heat more evenly, saving more time for you. The heat press machine fits for all heat transfer projects. Fast heating up. Mini heat press working voltage 110 volts, 220 volts, working power 350 watt, can easily heat up within 3 to 5 minutes to meet unique DIY design needs, save you nearly 20 seconds of heat up time compared with other brands. The maximum temperature can reach to 356 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius, satisfy your unique DIY design needs. 3 heating levels and safety base. Easy Press machine has 3 heat settings to help you get precise settings for heat transfer project. Easy Press will automatically shut off if not used for 10 minutes. You don't have to worry about forgetting to turn off the heat press. The safety base can protect the heating plate from scratches and prevent people from being scalded. Compact handheld press design. Mini heat press machine is very small and easy to carry. Ideal for unusually small or unique heat transfer projects like t-shirts, baby clothes, hats, shoes, or even stuffed animals. Mini heat press machine is not just used for heat transfer but also smooth clothes like iron. Perfect gifts for families, lovers. Mini heat press machine is very suitable for craft enthusiasts, students, and housewives. Also, it is perfect birthday or anniversary gifts for your families and lovers. Number 9. Mug heat press machine from TIQTAK. Digital LCD screen and 2 buttons to adjust the temperature and time freely. There are 3 temperature settings: 160 degrees Celsius, 180 degrees Celsius, 200 degrees Celsius will keep a precise and stable temp. It will stay the same temp when you heat press the mugs. Lightweight and portable. It is so tiny and only weighed 6.6 pounds. It is so easy to put it on a shelf or put it in your car for outdoor activity. Wide applications. It is not only a nice gift for family game, campus competition, or other group activities, but also fits for commemorating tourist attractions, various conferences, advertising promotions. Premium quality. Made of 0.4-inch silicone heater, thicker than others, this mug attachment is heat resistant and durable during heating process. The whole body of the mug can be heated continuously and stably. Number 10. Candle making kit from SAEUYVB. Richer and more convenient. Compared with the ordinary candle package, this package contains enough tools and is equipped with an electric stove. You can use its essential oil and candle fuel to make candles of various colors you like. The electric furnace is 110 volts, 500 watt. Premium quality. This set is all natural soybean wax, which burns evenly, clean and free of black smoke. 16 brightly colored candle dyeing blocks can be dyed quickly, and 6 essential oils of lavender, lemon, jasmine, rose, mint, and ylang can meet the needs of different situations. Easy to make. Don't worry that you are a beginner. You can make great candles by following the instructions. You will be happy and feel like a DIY expert. Widely used, it can DIY beautiful candles with family, which can not only enhance parent-child communication, but also enhance happiness. You can make candles with friends to convey the festive atmosphere and bring new fun.
If you like to buy any of these products, please check out the links of the purchasing in description below.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.